place. Huh?
Beast.
You're giving me a hurt.
It sounds like the howl of a werewolf from the belly of Hades.
Valley?
Get off of me. That's your belly.
Oh,
Not Valley, Belly.
I'm hungry.
Let's go to my place and make some pizza.
I'll make the sauce.
I'll get in the way and make a big mess.